Hi, this is Gopi from igus India. Today we are at Proteck Machinery at Chennai. They are leading manufacturer of laser cutting machine. They do customized laser and also they are into automation. Today we are going in. Come.
Since 20 years we are using igus products like drag chains, cables, connectors, etc. etc. Right now they came with a good initiative, recycling the plastics and make a new plastic cycle. It's a very good initiative by the igus.
Hi, I'm Prakash from igus India. Our next stop is Tsugami Piston India. They are one of the biggest machine tool manufacturer in India. So we are going to do our igus bike tour in Tsugami Piston today.
I have never seen like that initiatives from anybody's. We ride that cycles and my teammates and all of our are very impressed in that initiatives.
Today we are going to do igus bike tour with GH Induction India Private Limited.
Good initiative for the environment. Yes, sir. We will appreciate the igus teams for the waste you are converted in the eco-friendly.
Yeah.